Hello, this is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. Today, I would like to introduce you our rack beam roll forming machine. This machine is for our Chinese customer. If you want to see more details, let's have a look. This production line has the manual decoiler and this roll forming machine. Mainly, I will introduce this roll forming machine part. Which is very important. Now I have standing at the roll forming machine. We have the guiding part here. The customer used black steel to produce this beam. After that, we have a leveling part to make the steel coil more plate. This roll forming machine can produce several heights. It is an automatic change. Let's have a details. We have guide rails so that this structure, the cast iron stands, can move outside and inside to produce different heights. It is controlled by the reducer and the motors automatically change. You just need to write on the touch screen the height you want to produce, and all these parts can move automatically to its point. So this is an automatic type to produce several sizes. It's uncontinuous spot welding. You can see it is movable. So this line, we don't stop the roll forming part when welding, when cutting. This is a cutting part. We have two fixed devices, and this is a saw cut. These two fixed devices can fix the steel beam and help the cutting saws cut the beams, cut the lengths easily. It is controlled by hydraulic power to move around the saws and the pneumatic power to fix all the beams. This type of cut is flying shear, so this one will go around together with the steel beam. That makes the working speed faster. Now we have the working speed around 12 meters per minute. If you are also interested in this beam roll forming machine, please feel free to talk with Linbay Machinery. We are trusty roll forming machine manufacturer. See you next time. Bye bye.